Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with listening for beginning sounds. So we're going to skip rhyming today, but we have some other rhyming we'll do later. All right, I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll say the beginning sound together. Here we go. Sock. S. Quick. Qu. Yes. Y. Race. R. With. W. Look. L. Help. Key. K. Tent. T. New. N. Good job. Let's make some compound words. So I will say the two parts, you say the two parts, and then we'll blend it together. Here we go. Cow, boy, cowboy. Blue, bird, bluebird. Gold, fish, goldfish. Yard, stick, yardstick. Left, over, leftover. Jelly, bean, jelly bean. Moon, light, moonlight. Table, cloth, tablecloth. Under, ground, underground. Grand, father, grandfather. Good job. All right, let's listen for ending sounds now. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and together we'll make the ending sound. Love. V. 6. X. Cube. B. Had. D. Wife. F. Jug. G. Make. K. Will. L. Come. Gone. N. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment words. So I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll break it into smaller pieces. Here we go. Cornbread. Corn, bread. Birthplace. Birth, place. Seahorse. Sea, horse. Bookcase. Book, case. Firewood. Fire, wood. Housework. House, work. Sunflower. Sun, flower. Lifeguard. Life, guard. Handshake. Hand, shake. Nice job. All right, let's do some word substitution. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll change the ending part to see what new word we can make. Here we go. The word is bathroom. Change room to tub. Bathtub. The word is toothpaste. Change paste to brush. Toothbrush. The word is weekday. Change day to end. Weekend. The word is headlight. Change light to band. Headband. The word is homesick. Change sick to work. Homework. Good job. We're really rolling through these today. All right, we're going to start with the beginning word, and then we're going to add a new word to the end and see what we can make. The word is head. Add stand to the end. Headstand. The word is some. Add where to the end. Somewhere. The word is snow. Add storm to the end. Snowstorm. The word is play. Add room to the end. Playroom. The word is every. Add day to the end. Every day. Great job. Okay, so now for some word deletion. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll remove a part of the word. Here we go. The word is snowball. Without ball, the word is snow. The word is playhouse. Without house, the word is play. The word is everybody. Without body, the word is every. The word is headphones. Without phones, the word is head. The word is someone. Without one, the word is some. Excellent. Okay, last exercise is counting words and sentences. So I will say the sentence and you listen carefully, count it in your head, and then tell me how many words you hear. My class is the best. That's 6. I have friends here. That's 4. Do you try your best? Five words. Our teacher is proud of us. That's 6. School is fun. 3. I can count to 10. 5 words. I can tie my shoes. 5 words. Will this be a great day? And 6. Great job, guys.